Love apple crisp but don't want to mess around with serving spoons and bowls? These apple crisp bars have all the flavor you love with a buttery crunch you can hold in your hand. Hi, I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper and CakeMixRecipes.com. I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make. I believe if you can read, you can cook. Today I'm showing you how to make apple crisp bars. They're easy to make, super satisfying, and they pack up perfectly for dessert on the go. To make it easier for you, I included a link to the full printable recipe in the video description below, so make sure you grab it. The first thing we need to do to start our apple crisp bars is to make the bottom and the top all at the same time. So in our bowl, I'm going to add some oats. And these are regular rolled oats, not the quick oats. I'm going to add some flour. To that, I'm going to add some brown sugar, a little bit of cinnamon, because it's apple crisp after all, you need cinnamon, a little bit of baking soda, and just a touch of salt. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna give this a quick stir in the bowl, just to kind of bring this stuff together. Now, to make our crust, we need butter. So I have a stick of butter that I've cut into cubes. We're gonna put that in there. And I'm just gonna use my fingers. And I want to go in and just kind of press the butter between my fingers to kind of break it down into, we wanna get like pea-sized pieces of butter. All right, now we're going to put about half of this mixture into the bottom of our baking dish, and I'm just going to press it out with my hands. Next up, we're going to add a can of apple pie filling. So we're gonna put that in there. We're gonna try to stay away from the edges, maybe about just like a nice little rim around the edge, just so we have a bit of a crust there. Top it with our remaining crumble. And you're just gonna kind of press it into the apple. Now that's all that's left is to wait. We need to bake this, and then we're gonna dig in and give these a try. These apple crisp bars have a buttery base, a sweet cinnamon and apple filling, and a golden crumbly top that's just irresistible. Now, here's a tip. They taste even better the next day, and you can totally warm them up and top them with a scoop of ice cream, or, wait for it, a drizzle of caramel, or both. I won't judge, because I'll probably be doing the same thing. Now, I can't wait to dig into these, so I'm going to cut myself one. Now, you do want to let them, if you want to try to cut it into a bar shape, you do want to let it cool a little bit. All right, the moment I've been waiting for. Oh. Oh, you guys. These apple crisp bars, definitely a keeper. They're foolproof, flavorful, and perfect for fall baking. Now, make sure you share this video with someone who loves good food, and don't forget to grab that printable recipe in the video description. Thanks for cooking with me today. If you love cozy fall desserts, check out my fresh apple cake next. It's simple, moist, and bursting with apple flavor, and there's a secret ingredient. Click right here and I will see you over there.